Hello everyone. I thought I would take some time to run over Canvas's new feature called Scheduler, where you can kind of mimic what Google Appointments used to do for you inside of the Canvas calendar, where you already have your assignments and students are already going. So I think this is going to be a little bit easier than having them externally go somewhere else for Google Appointments, and it will be inside of this calendar within Canvas. So the first thing to do is going to be to create these time slots that you want them to meet in. I can do that two ways, by either hitting this create new event, or if you just click on whatever day you want, it will pop up this window and start to ask you details about this event. Now the big difference here is to go over to this appointment group on the side. I click there, and now I can call this, and I can label it and enter in all the details. So I'm going to call this individual conferences. The location, I'm going to do mine virtually. So I'm going to put in the meeting link and just so that they remember that's the nickname I'm going to use. And I'm going to go to my calendar and click what course I want it to show up in. And I hit done. And in the details, I'm going to leave a little bit more detail. You can do whatever you want. You can say, don't forget your portfolio. And I'm going to leave, again, where the meet is and what nickname they can use so they know when it's their time slot where to go. I'm then going to choose what date, which I chose the 13th. If I accidentally clicked on the wrong one, I can change it within this calendar here. And let's say that I'm going to go from around 11:30 until around 1:15. That's the time frame that I want people to sign up for. The nice part about this is I can change individually to how many minutes I think each appointment would be. And as soon as I hit this go button, what it does is automatically it will create those 15-minute time slots for the times that I gave it. So that's kind of a nice feature. Then you don't have to enter them all individually. And I can do the same thing if I'm doing on the 14th. I'm doing the same thing from 11:30 till 1:15, and I want it every 15 minutes. It will then create all those. And let's say for anybody that was slacking, I can offer some more on the 15th, but I only have time on this day from 12:30 p.m. until 1:15 p.m. And I hit go. And again, you can see it will create those time slots for me, which is nice. A few of the other options, I am going to limit this so only one user can sign up per time slot. If you have different groups, you can have different number of users sign up. And I'm going to try to limit participants to attend only one appointment. You can allow them to see who has signed up for time slots if you wish, but that's not something I'm going to use right now. So once all of those things are set and I have the calendar and I've got all my information, I hit publish. Now the nice part is you then will start to see them over here as these individual 15-minute time slots. When you click on one, and if you go to group details, you can start to see where everything is and which ones are available, and student names will start to populate over here. So this is where you can change different things if you screwed something up, or if you want to change or add anything, you just go to those group details. So from a student point of view, I go back to the home course, and I'm going to click this student view. Go over here to calendar. Now when I go to calendar, there isn't anything automatically populating in the 13th, 14th, 15th, which are the days that I said these students should be able to see these. So what I need to do is you need to just train your students that when you use these appointment calendars, you need to click on the find appointment, tell it what class you want it to be for, hit submit, and then they will start to populate right here. Then all a student has to do is say, hey, I want 12:45 on this day for my conference. I can leave a comment and say, see you then. I may be late. I hit reserve, and now that one is grayed out for the students, and no one else can sign up for that time slot. And for a teacher, it's going to look a little different. So on a teacher, now you can see that at 12:45 that has been greened out. Someone has signed up for that. I can click on that one individually and see that test student is the one, and this is also the comment that they left. Or what you can do again is you can go to group details, and if you start to scroll, you can see who has reserved what. You can also message students that maybe haven't signed up and who already have signed up and remind them, but that's kind of a nice feature too, that you can send them a message saying, hey, don't forget to sign up, or yep, got it, you are confirmed on these days.